everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse, and today I'm going to show you how to use FlexiFuse. So you're going to take whatever pattern that you've picked out and make sure that your templates are already reversed for applique. And you're going to take your FlexiFuse sheet and place it on top of your templates, and then you just trace them out. Now, if you're like me and your tracing is not super stellar, you can print onto the paper side of the FlexiFuse. You just have to make sure and use a inkjet printer, not a laser printer. The laser uses heat to bond the toner and it will melt the FlexiFuse in your printer. Okay, now that I have all my templates traced out, I am going to cut them out, leaving about a 1/4 inch of the FlexiFuse around it. Okay, now that I have my templates all cut out, I'm going to match them with the fabric that I've picked. And then you're going to press and iron for 10 seconds. And you're going to use more of a stamping motion instead of rubbing the iron over the fabric and the FlexiFuse. The iron is going to be on its highest heat setting, and make sure that you use no steam. Okay, once your pieces have cooled, you're going to cut out along your traced lines. Alright, so I have my templates ready and my background ready for my little glass of milk. There is a layout guide in this pattern. So I'm going to peel the FlexiFuse off, not using a point, trying to use one of the flat sides. Place it down on my background and layer the second piece. So once you have it on your background, or set on your background where you would like it, you're going to press and hold again for 10 seconds to make sure that your pieces are fused with your background as well. So now that I have everything ironed down, it's ready to be stitched down, and you can add your little embroidery details for the face.